Hi there and welcome back to Toni's Garage. Now is part 2 of the Schuco unboxing, and stay tuned because you are going to enjoy it. And we are going to unbox 9 models in this clip, and we will start with a very beautiful and luxurious SUV. A model of a limited edition of 500 models. Look at this gorgeous model. To be more specific, this is the Mercedes Maybach G650 Landaulet from the roof that can be opened in the back and can allow the passenger, because of course this car will be driven by a private chauffeur, and will allow the passenger to enjoy the complete luxury this kind of car can deliver. It is based on the G650 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. Absolutely fantastic beast. Great details on it, of course, in this fantastic color. You can also see the details on the chairs. Very nice details. You can see them better by looking at the interior from right here. You'll have a spare wheel. Don't think that we will need one, but hey, absolutely gorgeous model. So this is a great way to start an unboxing clip. Let's move to a smaller one this time, a crossover more than an SUV, this time from Audi, and in this case is the Audi RS Q3, RS being the sport line of Audi. Great details on this little car. You can see the RS badge on the front grille, of course on the back grille, on the back as well. It is a all-wheel drive. From here you can see the Quattro logo. Very nice detail. It looks great in this dark metallic blue. You'll have the brake calipers, you'll have the rims details, and of course since it has interior of a white color, you can see the details from interior without a problem. Another Audi. This time we are discussing about my favorite line of Audi. I said in previous clips that from my perspective the best looking station wagon, for me at least, is the Audi A6, even if I am basically a BMW fan, or BMW, but in this case I will make an exception. Fantastic looking model. It looks absolutely great. This is an S6 Avant from the fact that it's a wagon. I think that it has been fixed on this stand for too long, and now you can see the shape of the tire in the stand. But if I remove it from, and I think that I removed once or twice from the stand, the tires have no damage, and this is good. It has a great interior. You can see the S-Line logo here in the front and on the back. Absolutely fantastic details. Schuco made another great job. This is one of the 500 models ever made, in this color at least, in this series at least. So great looking Audi. Now let's move to the traditional type of packaging with a limited edition of 1000. This is a very beautiful Audi R8 in a very cool looking dark gray. Absolutely great details. Something that I like on the cars that have a mid-rear engine, that you will be able most of the times to see the engine details. In this case you are able to see them, and they look fantastic. Also I really like that carbon fiber part on the side here and here. Absolutely great details. Those red brake calipers are something special. I really like them. This is the first generation of Audi R8 and my favorite generation, to be honest. I prefer those round lines compared with the next models. The packaging that I love makes me feel very safe when maneuvering this kind of models. We will move to another R8. This time we have the V10 Coupe variant, but the details are on the same level. Absolutely fantastic. Really cool interior, even if it's completely black. Since you have the windows down, you'll be able to see the interior without a problem. You can see this fantastic looking engine. Absolutely great looking Audi. Now I am still having one R8. This is the concept car, but I will keep it for later, and we will move to a very bright looking BMW, another limited edition, one of 1000. This time we are discussing about BMW or BMW 3.0 CSL CSL, a great sport car from BMW. I really like the racing version. I don't know what to say about this one due to this crazy color. The guy I bought this car from will absolutely love it, especially for this color, because he's crazy of exotic colors like this one. But I don't know what to say, to be honest. But the details are fantastic. Look at that exhaust pipe, very detailed. Great details on the interior. You can see that old school dashboard, very nice. Very cool mirrors, very cool windscreens and details. I love those lines on the back windscreen. Something that you don't see every day. Very nice. Continuing with BMW, this time we have my favorite line from BMW. If for Audi, my favorite line is Audi A6, but for BMW it's the 5 Series. And in this case, we have a very beautiful looking 550i. Great details. I love that burgundy interior. It has a panoramic roof, but sort of, and you can see inside without a problem. Absolutely fantastic details. You can also open the bonnet. So you can open the bonnet and you can see only a plastic cover like in the real life, because this is how the BMW engine looks like right now. But a great feature. I cannot complain about it. I like that the line of the bonnet does not affect the design of the model car too much. So from this perspective, thumbs up Schuco. You did a great job on this BMW. 2 models left. Let's go back to the Audi. Let's discuss about the concept of Audi R8 Spider. This another limited edition of 1000 models in a gorgeous looking matte black. This paint is absolutely great. If the model, well, I love the model for sure, but if the model haven't been so nice, the paint alone would make me want the model, because I really like this kind of cars in this black paint. You can see the V10 logo on the sides, the R8 in the back, great details. The engine is covered, being a Spider car. There, most probably here is the roof, but the rest of the details are absolutely fantastic. Another limited edition, another great model, and another great sound. And now let's move to the last model of this unboxing. This time we are keeping the tradition of German cars, of course, but this time we are going to discuss about an Opel, a German brand that is not so popular at this moment. Some of you may know it as a Vauxhall, but in Germany and in Romania as well, this is known as an Opel. And in this case, we are discussing about the DTM version of the Opel Astra. An Opel Astra that has a V8 in it, something you are not going to see on the road version. It looks absolutely great in this orange, absolutely great looking car, great details. Of course, being racing version of the Opel Astra, you'll have the bars from inside, the roll cage that is present in the car. You'll also have some very sporty details. The exhaust pipes will be on the sides, here, and not in the back, but the details are great as usual. So another great model from Schuco. This is one of the greatest manufacturers from my perspective, because it is very hard for me to find a model car from Schuco that has some damages or something that I don't like. That being said, I ended the second part of this unboxing. In a few moments I will start the last part, the third part of the Schuco unboxing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.